welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Boxycharm. So this is $21 a month. It's beauty and makeup related. It's probably the only box that I remember how much it cost. So it won't be on the screen. There's a giveaway going on. It's linked down below. Check it out. We are super close to 1K. Oh, and there's other stuff down in the description if you care to give it a gander. Let's get into Boxy. So it's totally Boxycharm, and I do have variation number 9. I don't know how I feel about this stuff. Okay, so this is what I see, and okay, so I'm not really excited for this. The first thing I'm pulling out is this Wander Beauty. It's a Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. I will just pass this along. I don't really care for Wander Beauty products. I'm actually a little tired of seeing them in my boxes because I just give them away. The very first Wander Beauty product that I ever got was the mascara that was in the like dark maroon, and in my personal opinion, I didn't like it. So I just haven't bothered with Wander Beauty products since then. So the next thing I am pulling out is this Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. I am not going to open this because I've heard that it dries out and I don't want to do that, so I'm not going to swatch it or anything. If you've seen Boxycharm, you've seen other people swatch this, but I have a couple of open powders right now. I am excited to try this. I'm just not going to open it right now. And the next thing I am pulling out is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, and it's a mascara. I'm excited to try it. I do know that the packaging is pretty. I just watched this opened earlier today, and I'm all about pink packaging. So this is what it looks like, and I'm obviously not going to open a mascara because I don't want it to dry out, but I am excited to try that. Oh wait. So this Wander Beauty retails for $42. The Becca powder is $39. And then the Tarte mascara is $23. Sorry about that. Okay, and then the next thing I am pulling out is the Pure Barbie Glitterally in pink, and it is a brightening peel off mask, and it retails for $26, and I always like a good mask. That's cool. The last thing I am pulling out is by Lashaholics, and it is a pair of lashes for $14.99. That box is really cute. I don't know if you can tell, it's all glittery. And then you open it up, and that is what the lashes look like. Those are cute, but I do not do lashes, so I will pass those along. I might throw them in the giveaway, or I might give them to my daughter if she decides that she wants them, but we'll see. So let's recap real quick, just because I did mess up a little earlier. So we have the Becca powder, which retails for $39. Which I'm excited to try. We have the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil that retails for $42. We have the Big Ego mascara that retails for $23. We have the peel off face mask that retails for $26. And we have the lashes that retail for $14.99. So my opinion on this box, it's an okay box. I kind of feel like I felt last month. It's an okay box. These two things I will 100% get use of. This, maybe, maybe not. I do have a lot of mascaras right now, but I do like the packaging. So, I mean, this is a maybe for me, I guess. And then these two products are just a nah. Or a no. Not a nah, a no. It's a really cute package though. It is a very cute package. But I mean, they're just a no. I don't wear lashes and I'm just not a fan of Wonder Beauty. So that was my Boxycharm this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I don't know how helpful it was since I didn't really open anything, but I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.